Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving deep into the AI PC revolution. And trust me, this isn't just another buzzword. It's a massive shift that is literally about to change how you use your laptop forever. I want you to just imagine for a second. What if your laptop didn't just run the programs you tell it to, but it actually anticipated your needs? What if it could secure your data on the fly and help you create amazing content in an instant, all without sending a single piece of your private information up to the cloud? Well, that's the promise we're going to unpack today.
And this isn't some far-off future we're talking about. Look at this. Industry experts at Gartner are predicting that AI-capable PCs will make up 55% of the entire market by the end of 2026. That is not a slow burn, my friends. That is a complete takeover.
So what's the secret sauce? What actually makes a regular PC an AI PC? Well, it all comes down to a special little piece of hardware called a neural processing unit, or NPU. Think of it like a dedicated brain living right inside your computer, built for one thing and one thing only, running AI tasks. And that makes everything faster, way more private, and just incredibly efficient. So the big question is, why now? Why are we seeing this huge shift from cloud-based AI to intelligence that lives right on our devices? Let's break it down. And right at the heart of this entire revolution is a brand new, unbelievably powerful piece of silicon, Intel's Core Ultra Series 3, which has the awesome codename Panther Lake. This thing is the engine that's going to power the next wave of laptops. Panther Lake is actually the very first consumer chip built on Intel's totally groundbreaking 18A manufacturing process. And just to be clear, we're not talking about a small incremental update here. This is a massive leap forward in technology, and it's all being manufactured right here in the United States. So what makes this 18A process so special? Well, it really boils down to two key innovations. First up is RibbonFET, which is a totally new way to build transistors. And second is PowerVia, a really clever way to deliver power from the backside of the chip. You put those two together, and you unlock a gigantic jump in both performance and power efficiency.
All right, let's talk numbers, because this is where things get truly staggering. It all starts with that 18A process node, a huge leap forward in how these chips are made.
So what does that new process get you? Well, how about a performance boost of over 50% in both processing and graphics compared to the last generation? That's a serious upgrade. But here it is. This is the number that really matters for the AI revolution. 180 trillion operations per second, or TOPS. That is an insane amount of raw horsepower that lets your PC handle these complex AI tasks instantly, without ever needing to phone home to the cloud. Now, this power isn't just about brute force. It's also about intelligent design. See, Panther Lake uses what's called a hybrid architecture. You've got your Cougar Cove performance cores for the really heavy lifting, your Darkmont efficient cores to manage all the background stuff, and then these SkyMont low-power cores to squeeze every last drop out of your battery. It's this brilliant balancing act between pure power and all-day efficiency.
Okay, so all this tech talk is great, but what does it actually look and feel like in a real product you can get your hands on? Well, let's take a look at one of the very first flagship AI PCs to rock this chip, the Samsung Galaxy Book6.
This is where all that raw potential from the Panther Lake chip stops being numbers on a slide and starts becoming features and experiences that we can actually use day to day. And wow, Samsung has clearly engineered this thing for a top-tier experience. I mean, we're talking about a stunningly bright AMOLED display, up to 30 hours of video playback on a single charge, plus super fast charging, 6 speakers with Dolby Atmos, all packed into this impressively slim design. It's a beast. And the lineup gives you some really interesting choices. You've got the Galaxy Book6 Ultra, which is all about cramming in the maximum power and features. Then you have the Pro model,
which prioritizes an even slimmer, more portable design, but without giving up that core AI experience. And right here, this is where you feel that on-device AI magic, because all the thinking happens right on the laptop. Features like instantly summarizing your notes or getting quick insights on text you select, they happen immediately. There's no lag, no waiting for a server, and the best part? It all works perfectly, even when you're completely offline.
You can really see Samsung's whole philosophy in this quote from their leadership. The goal here is to merge that raw, unmatched power from the Panther Lake chip with smart, dependable AI features that actually make your life easier. It's the best of both worlds.
Okay, let's pull the camera back a bit and look at the bigger picture. What does this massive technological shift really mean for the future of the laptop?
Well, for one thing, this launch puts Intel right in a head-to-head battle with its biggest rival, AMD, and they're taking really different approaches. You've got Intel pushing the absolute limits of performance with its brand new 18A process. At the same time, AMD is focusing on making AI accessible to everybody. Using its more mature Gorgon point chips to bring these new capabilities to every single price point. You know, if there's one key idea to take away from all this, it's this fundamental shift away from the cloud. For years, AI meant sending your data to some far-off server, which meant lag and, let's be honest, some big privacy risks. On-device AI completely changes the game. All the processing happens right on your machine, which means it's instant, it's private, and it's always available.
And this shift? It solves the two biggest problems holding back AI, privacy and lag. Because your sensitive data literally never leaves your device, it is way more secure. And because there's no trip to the cloud and back, your responses are instantaneous. This opens the door to a whole new class of applications. Some people are calling it agentic AI, where your PC can finally become a true intelligent assistant.
So yeah, the era of the passive PC, it's over. We are officially entering a world where our computers are becoming true, intelligent partners. They're capable of learning, anticipating, and creating right there alongside us. So the only question left is, what are you going to do with all that power?